Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your information with Payoneer, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your information with Payoneer, first, log in to your Payoneer account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Settings tab in the top menu and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and select Verification or Verification Center. You will see a list of required documents for verification. Gather all the necessary documents, which may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, and bank account information. Make sure your documents are clear and legible. If you have a smartphone, consider using it to take photos of your documents. Once you have your documents ready, return to the Verification Center. Click on the Upload button next to each required document. Select the appropriate file from your device and confirm the upload. After uploading all necessary documents, review your submissions for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Submit button to send your documents for verification. You will then receive a confirmation notification that your documents are under review. Payoneer will typically notify you via email once the verification process is complete. If additional information is required, follow the instructions provided in the email. If your verification is successful, you will regain access to all of your Payoneer features. If you experience any issues during the verification process, visit the Help Center for assistance. Make sure to check back frequently for updates on your verification status. This concludes the step-by-step guide to verifying your information with Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.